Hello and welcome to our update. Today is January the 19th. We will update you with our progress and what we've been developing. To start off, we're going to show you this extruder. This is standard extruder that we have here. This is not a medical syringe, but this is what we're going to be using with our 3D printer. And so we're just going to throw this. This is what we'll the syringe here. This will carry our materials that we're going to use to print. It pulls in here slowly, bit by bit. This is how it's going to work. Slowly get smaller. And the amount of materials that could be in this syringe is 10 cubic centimeters, and the precision, the needle precision, that one here is somewhere about 0.7 millimeters. So that's something that we've been putting together. We're going to start building some using these materials. What we want to do in the end is build this guy, and this is this is going to be our gears for the ground station and the rover. This model here is going to be used on the ground station, and not on the rover. We're going to actually have smaller gears, but we want to use the extruder with the materials that the metallurgy that we've been putting together and researching in. And we want this as the last end result. Moving on to metallurgy, we've been playing around with these metals. This first piece here, this is copper and tin. Over here, what we have here, this is copper and zinc. And this guy right here, this is copper and titanium. And the trick with this is when we place this into our oven, we had to eliminate any oxygen and nitrogen. So what we had to do is we had our piece sitting, and on top what we would do is we'd have we would have the titanium, powdered titanium, sit on top, and that would absorb the nitrogen and the oxygen, and it allowed us to create this piece. So all of those three things we're going to use all together, and hopefully in the end result we'll be able to print out our gears for our rover and ground station. And lastly, what we've put together is this vibration table. This is for our testing, vibration testing of our small pieces, and you'll see that how they act. Right, it's moving one way. Doesn't want to go. But I think this piece needs to be replaced. So in the end, we'd have, this is about 1.5 kilograms, and we would put it on the vibration table, and then we'll just fire away really quickly. Obviously, once we get the switches going, this will be our CubeSat. This is our prototype, right? And inside, when we have it all assembled, we'll be using this vibration table for testing. And here's, I'm just going to lift this up just to show you our little build. It's pretty standard. You could get this off online anywhere, right? We have the ball sitting in for that smooth side-to-side action. And I believe this is it. This is what we've been working on this last little while. Thank you for tuning in, and hopefully we'll see you in a week and not a month.